Red Alliance, are you ready? Blue Alliance, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
All right, here we are getting our tournament started for match 64 out of 80. We've been playing these matches for a while, and you're starting to see that these teams are not only playing the matches quickly and effectively, they are also playing them consistently. A lot of these teams that you're seeing, especially teams like that you're seeing here today, they are successfully doing not only scoring in one match, they're scoring consistently in every match that they've played. And that is just a testament to how well these robots are designed and the strength of the drivers to keep cool under pressure. Because again, look at this Romanian team here, Quantum Robotics.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
Quantum Robotics scoring a lot in the top there alongside Cruise Control. Blue Alliance as well, of course, now that we're in the driver control period, 54-21, moving very quickly to run and grab and drop those cubes into the top. They might be moving fast enough to make up that little bit of gap that they have, because Red Alliance is a bit of a lead right now, but the Blue Alliance here, when they're scoring, might be able to score fast enough to pick up that lead, bring it back around to them. As long as 54-21 can make out whatever they've got going on here, because it looks like they've got a slight technical issue inside their robot. But don't worry, they've cleared it up, and yes, they've scored a ball effectively, but no, while that's been happening, 9889 is getting ready to score in the top of their beacon, top of their shipping hub. 14270 scoring in the shared shipping hub. This shared shipping hub is heavily contested here, as the Blue Alliance has these small, incredibly fast robots that are moving very quickly. These robots are basically designed to do one thing and one thing only as fast as possible. Alongside the carousel, they're also designed to pick up blocks and balls and drop them as quickly as possible and as fast as possible, whereas these other robots on the Red Alliance are a little bit bigger, a little bit slower, but they have a much longer reach than these blue robots. You'll notice that the Blue Alliance has to move much farther to deposit their shipping elements in their shipping hubs, whereas the Red Alliance doesn't have to move as far, but they move a little bit slower. And that's what you're going to see here. The Red Alliance appears to, as far as possible, get more scoring overall in the top of their shipping hub. It may just be a fact that they can have been able to get farther on overall scoring. As we're nearing the end game here, we have got the Red Alliance getting ready to score at the top of their marker, but if they do it a little bit early, they're not going to get points. Fortunately, they managed to wait and, yes, successfully score their team shipping marker on top of the shipping hub. And are they going to get the second one as they try? And, yes, they do get the second one. The Blue Alliance getting ducks as quick as possible as well over here. They're 3 ducks off as Cruise Control gets their first duck. However, those additional markers are going to give them the difference as they have 10 seconds left in the match. It looks like Quantum Robotics is just moving around, trying to get maybe a few more pieces, trying to get parked. It's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. A massive score from the Red Alliance coming out of that. Quantum Robotics and Cruise Control with at least the 323. Subject to change, of course, as the refs take a look at things, but we could see potentially a new high score coming out of that if everything gets lined up properly. Nearly entirely emptying out the warehouse. Incredible work from the teams here. Good work, everyone. We'll have to see those scores as soon as possible.
Looking